Hey guys, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another at home hair color vlog, guys. As I have mentioned earlier, due to hormonal issues, I started getting gray hair in my early teenage years. I have always either colored or applied henna to my hair to cover my gray hair. So today I am going to use this Garnier Hair Color in the shade 6.60 Intense Red. This shade was actually requested by you guys for a long time. I had actually colored my hair at a salon near my house around 6 to 7 months earlier. You can see from behind also my gray hair is showing. So I just want to cover up my gray hair. This actually comes with a colorant, a color developer, and there's actually some conditioner in here and a pair of gloves. So all the instructions are on this lip right here. Everything is mentioned very clearly and it is very easy to follow the steps. So all we have to do is mix the colorant and the developer together. We have to mix it well to make it a smooth paste. When you mix this together, please use a plastic or a glass or a ceramic container. Do not use a metal container. Just mix both of these together and this is ready to use now. Let's get started, guys. Obviously, I am not a hairstylist or a specialist of any kind. I apply the color to my hair this way all the time and it works fine for me and I feel comfortable. You just color your hair that makes you comfortable. This color shade is making me very nervous, guys. It is quite vibrant actually. I have applied the color only to my roots, not to my ends of my hair actually. My fingers have stained quite a bit even after using the gloves actually. You can see here. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes now and I am going to wash it off now. I don't want to look like a redhead, guys. I cannot keep it on for 45 minutes. I will just keep it on for 30 minutes and now I'm going to wash it off. I just washed my hair off, guys, and I just applied the conditioner and I am totally surprised with this color. I was actually expecting it to be something horrible, but it turned out really great, guys. Very affordable and very nice hair color. My gray hair is totally covered, completely covered, guys. But I can see that it has stained a little bit my scalp, but it is fine. When I shampoo my hair, the remaining color will just come off. My hair is wet now, so definitely I can't tell the exact result. I will have to wait until my hair is all dry, but to be honest, I'm quite impressed with this color so far. This time I'm actually going to wait for 1 week. It's actually been 5 days now and I have shampooed my hair once. So now I can show you guys how the color has settled on my hair. I am actually very happy with this shade, guys. It has actually covered my gray hair wonderfully and gives my hair a very vibrant color with that red undertone, and it suits my skin tone perfectly. This is my new favorite shade for now, guys. I had actually colored my hair previously, so it turned out this way for my hair. It will definitely depend on your natural hair color, how the color will look for you. Anyways, this is how it looks in daylight, and I'm going to show you how it looks indoors with lights on. So this is how it will look indoors, guys, with your home light. I can tell this looks very nice, and it actually suits my skin tone perfectly, and it blends well with my hair color. I am very happy with this color. But before I leave, guys, my skin has been feeling very healthy lately. My dark spots have been reduced a lot, and I have got that natural glow that we all love. So if you would like to know the products that I try and review, then do subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.